Heritage Property&Casualty is a Florida homeowners company, started in August of 2012. We started basically from the ground up, 0 policies, 0 employees, and now we're 210,000 policies and just over 200 employees. It was an opportunity to take my experiences from the past with other insurance companies and kind of do it the way, I thought would be really good. Florida is a great place to do business. It's something we understand. We understand that market. It's a very complex market. The state is very unique and diversified. When you look at the state of Florida, and I tell people, I kind of break it up into 3 sections. I mean, you have South Florida, the middle of the state's kind of tourism, and when you look at the north part of the state, it's really southern Georgia. And you have to be able to satisfy those requirements and what the needs are in each of those markets. We've kind of almost reached our level of the amount of diversification we want in the state of Florida. We're kind of moving into some other states. We've been approved in the state of North Carolina, which Majesco is helping us expand into there. And then we have a couple other states, South Carolina, Georgia, that we've also filed for. So as we started the company, growth was one of the things that we wanted to kind of focus on. And we wanted to look for a vendor that was going to allow us to grow into some other states. Majesco and I had worked together once before, so I reached out to them, talked to them a little bit, understood what they were trying to do themselves as far as building a holistic solution, policy administration, billing, and claims, and they were the best match for us as we did our RFP and RFI process to say, who's out there. We knew that we were going to try to find someone who was going to give us a complete solution from beginning to end. There was about 7 vendors. We finalized it to 2 and selected them as our partner that was going to help us expand into other states and grow with us, actually. So we wanted someone who was also growing themselves, right? Who were going to think a little bit out of the box and making sure you satisfy all the basic requirements. And that's something that right from the onset we met with them. It just came out with them that they can process insurance, but they can also meet our needs as we grow as a company, and that was really key for us. Provide solutions as you go out there and grow with the company itself. They'll always listen and then try to find a solution to it. That's a partner. That's someone who's going to listen to see what our needs are, not necessarily what they have to offer that's right off the shelf, which a lot of partners do, right? It's the easiest, cheapest way to do something is to say, here, use this, but really understanding what our needs are and then seeing how they can accomplish that. It's a policy billing administration system, so that's processing policies from beginning to end, and agency interface so that the agents, once they get in, they can bind the policies themselves, which was very important to us. They are very well known and they have a very robust billing system, easy to work with, very accurate, very detail oriented. And then they have a claims administration system which allows our folks to basically enter losses, make payments, reserves, enter notes, and handle the claim from beginning to end. Our interest right now is really the mobile app because as the new millennium is coming in, everything is internet based. They're paying their bills, they want their policy information, they want a quote. So that's really something that we're looking at. We're also looking at it strongly because we are a Florida insurance-based company. And when the wind blows anywhere in Florida, you want to make sure that you're able to get to your system from anywhere, any place. And the one thing I tell people about Majesco, it's a very good system, but their people are better. When it really comes to pleasing the customer, going to that next level, they really show you, what they can do, how they can extend themselves, how they can, meet your needs. And it's a level of customer service, frankly, I haven't seen in years.